Welcome to Lesson 3.3 on Essential Grammar, Building Sophisticated Sentences. We will focus on mastering the Build a Sentence mechanic for the TOEFL 2026 update, particularly the subject-verb-object structure. To understand your score, look at your sentence structure. Band 4, or B1 level, relies on simple sentences. For example, the research was expensive. This is correct but basic. Band 5, or B2 level, uses compound sentences. You use basic conjunctions like so. For example, the research was expensive, so the university applied for a grant. Band 6, or C1 and C2 level, requires complex sentences using subordination. For example, although the research was expensive, the university believed it was a worthwhile investment. The key insight is this. To get a top score, you must demonstrate the relationship between ideas using complex syntax. This brings us to the strategy for the Build a Sentence task. When you see a jumble of words, do not just guess. Scan for triggers. First, look for contrast triggers like although, even though, or while. These usually start a dependent clause. Second, look for cause and effect triggers like because, since, or so that. These link a reason to a result. Third, look for time triggers like after, before, or when. Strategy. If you identify these words first, you solve the puzzle instantly because you know the logical structure of the sentence. The second major concept is verb tense consistency. I call this the time travel error. Do not switch from past to present in the same sentence. Incorrect. The scientist proposed a theory, and then he explains it. You cannot propose in the past and explain in the present. The rule: pick a timeline and stick to it. For narratives, use past tense. For opinions, use present tense. The only exception is general truths. You can say, the earth is round, even if you are talking about ancient history, because it is still true today. Let's recap the core principles. 1. Vary your structure. Force yourself to use although and because to connect ideas. 2. Watch the clock. In the Build a Sentence task, identify the conjunction first to determine the word order. 3. Stay consistent. Do not jump between tenses unless you have a specific reason. Let's apply this to a game. Imagine you are looking at the screen. You see scrambled bubbles, impressed, professor, well, went. How do you solve it? Find the verb and subject first. It went. Then look for the logical connection. The solution is, it went extremely well. The professor looks impressed. Note: this tests pure grammatical accuracy. There is no partial credit. You must get every block in the right place. Now let's look at the write an email task. You have only 7 minutes. The trap here is mixing your polite request, which is in the present or future, with the backstory, which is in the past. A weak student writes, I am writing to say I missed the class yesterday. That is grammatically wrong. A strong student writes, I am writing to explain why I missed the class yesterday. Notice the precise shift from present continuous to simple past. In the academic discussion, grammar determines your ceiling. If you write simple sentences like, I agree with Paul, or pollution is bad, you are stuck at band 3 or 4. To hit the band 6 target, you must use subordination. You should write, while I agree with Paul that pollution is harmful, I believe the economic cost is too high. That while clause buys you the higher score. Grammar also helps your ears in the listen and repeat task. The 7 sentences you must repeat follow specific structures. Tip: anticipate the structure. If you hear the word because, your brain should expect a result to follow. If you hear if, expect a condition. Your rhythm mimics the audio better when you predict the grammar correctly. Let's be clear about how you are graded. Band 4 means simple sentences are correct, but you make frequent errors in complex structures. Band 5 means you have a mix of simple and complex sentences with good tense control. Band 6 means you sustain complex structures effortlessly with rare errors. That effortless flow is what we are training for. To force yourself into complex grammar, use power words. Words like facilitate, usage. The new software facilitates faster communication. This requires a verb plus object structure. Words like constitute, usage. These 3 factors constitute a major problem. Words like equivalent, usage. The cost is equivalent to a month's salary. Note the preposition to is required. Why does this matter so much? Because of the adaptive engine. If you fail simple grammar questions in Module 1, the AI routes you to the easier Module 2. The consequence: this caps your maximum score at Band 4. Rule: be hyper careful with syntax in the first module. Do not rush the easy questions. Finally, watch out for the score killers. First, the comma splice. Joining two independent clauses with just a comma. Example, the train is late, I will take a taxi. That is wrong. Fix it with a semicolon or a conjunction. Second, the run-on. Fusing sentences without any punctuation. Example, the research was hard, it took 3 years. Fix it by adding because to show the relationship. As a reminder of the battlefield, the time is reduced to 1.5 hours. Writing involves build a sentence, write an email, an academic discussion. There is no long essay. Speaking involves listen and repeat, and take an interview. There are no independent tasks. Grammar is the thread that connects all of these.